Here's how you can download and install the first-person shooter game Lost Light on your PC for free. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you have been taken into the store page, go ahead and click on the search box, and now type in Lost Light to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and you will end up within the game page. You can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and you will see the Add to Library button. You can click on this or click on Play Game to begin the installation right away. Now choose your install location and then click on the Install button. After accepting the terms and conditions, the download and installation will begin. Just wait until the installation process is done. And once it is completed, you can open up the Lost Light game on your device and start enjoying it right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Lost Light on your PC for free. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.